Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we are bringing you something truly next level. What you're seeing on the screen is not just a truck, it's a full luxury lifestyle on wheels. This American-style heavy-duty luxury truck RV is designed for people who don't believe in ordinary travel. It's built for those who want power on the outside and pure comfort on the inside. Let's start with the front view. The moment you look at the front, this truck makes a bold statement. The massive grille, wide hood, and strong body lines give it an aggressive and premium road presence. The headlights are large and modern, designed not just for style but for excellent visibility during night drives. The front bumper looks solid and confident, showing that this vehicle is made to dominate highways as well as long touring routes. From the front alone, you can tell this machine is built to lead, not follow. Now moving towards the side and back view, the length and design of this truck RV really stand out. From the side, the extended body smoothly connects the truck cabin with the luxury living section. The paint finish looks glossy and premium, giving it a showroom-level appearance even when it's parked outdoors. At the back, the design is clean and functional, with strong panels and proper lighting. The rear is built for safety, balance, and durability, especially during long-distance travel. This back section proves that luxury and utility can exist together. Talking about the wheels, this truck rides on heavy-duty alloy wheels that are designed to handle massive weight without compromising stability. The tires are wide and thick, perfect for highways, long road trips, and even rough surfaces. These wheels not only enhance the look of the truck but also provide confidence while driving at higher speeds. You feel secure knowing that this vehicle is engineered for endurance. Now let's step inside and talk about the indoor and interior experience, which is where this truck truly becomes special. As soon as you enter the cabin, you are welcomed by a premium dashboard that feels more like a luxury car than a truck. The dashboard layout is clean, modern, and driver-focused. You get advanced displays, smart controls, and a comfortable steering setup that makes long drives feel effortless. Everything is placed perfectly for convenience and ease of use. The driver and passenger seats are designed for maximum comfort. These seats are wide, well-cushioned, and supportive, making them ideal for hours of non-stop driving. The interior materials feel premium, with a mix of soft-touch surfaces and durable finishes. Large windows around the cabin allow natural light to flow inside, creating an open and airy feeling even when you're on the road. Moving further inside, we enter the living space, which is nothing less than a luxury suite. First, let's talk about the kitchen area. Yes, this truck comes with a fully functional kitchen. You get sleek cabinets, proper storage space, and a clean countertop designed for real cooking. Whether you want to prepare a quick meal or enjoy a relaxed dinner during your journey, this kitchen makes it possible. Everything is designed to stay secure while driving and remain practical when parked. Next is the bedroom area, which truly defines comfort. The bedroom is spacious, well-lit, and thoughtfully designed. The bed looks wide and comfortable, perfect for relaxing after a long day of travel. Soft lighting, storage cabinets, and a calm interior theme make this space feel like a hotel room rather than a vehicle. You can rest peacefully knowing that you're surrounded by comfort even miles away from home. Now let's talk about the windows and overall interior ambiance. Large windows are placed strategically throughout the living area, giving you beautiful outside views while maintaining privacy. These windows allow fresh air and natural light, making the interior feel fresh and welcoming. Whether you're parked near mountains, highways, or cityscapes, these windows connect you with the outside world without stepping out. Finally, the suite-style interior brings everything together. From the seating area to the bedroom and kitchen, every corner of this truck RV reflects luxury and smart design. The interior color tones are common, the layout is spacious, and the overall vibe is premium and relaxing. It feels like a moving luxury apartment built for people who love freedom and comfort. So overall, this luxury truck RV is a perfect example of power meeting elegance. From the aggressive front to the strong back, from durable wheels to a fully equipped interior, kitchen, bedroom, and suite-style living space, this vehicle offers everything you could ask for in a dream road companion. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MH Car Review. Let us know in the comments what you think about this luxury truck home on wheels, and we'll see you in the next video with another amazing review.